गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज मेरे लिए है बहुत ख़ास दिन क्योंकि आज है मेरा जन्मदिन। लेकिन जब तक मैं ये पोस्ट करूँगा तब तक मेरा जन्मदिन निकल चुका होगा। बट टुडे आई वुड लाइक टू कैप्चर ऑल ऑफ माई मोमेंट्स जो दिन भर में होता है वो मैं कैप्चर करने की कोशिश करूँगा एंड देन आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर विद ऑल इट। थैंक यू वेरी मच। एज यूजुअल फ्रेंड्स, मेरा दिन की शुरुआत मेरी मॉर्निंग वॉक से। पहला केक कट रहा है। रात को 12 बजे हम काट नहीं पाए क्योंकि मैं जल्दी सो गया था। मेरा बड़ा बेटा पूरा प्लान करके लाया था, सरप्राइज़ करके लाया था। 11 बजे तक उठा था, लेकिन 11 बजे के बाद उसको नींद आ गई। फिर वो 2 बजे उठा, फिर उसने बोला पापा को अभी डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे, तो उसके लिए मैं ये केक काट रहा हूँ, छोटी छोटी पेस्ट्रीज। हियर आई गो,
Happy birthday to
हियर आई गो एंड दिस केक गोज इन द माउथ ऑफ टीना। वीर किसके मुंह में जाएगा? तो मेरा मुंह में जाएगा। Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Stay with us. Thank you, Veer. So ready for office, going to office, meeting colleagues, and then coming back.
आज आपका बर्थडे है और ये आपकी टीव है और आज आप हमारी पार्टी हो रही है।
ये ज़मीं गा रही है, आसमां गा रहा है, साथ मेरे ये सारा जहां गा रहा है। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, Shiv sir.
Happy birthday, Shiv sir.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to Shiv sir. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
Hi sir. So today is a very special day and it is a very perfect opportunity to tell you that how lucky we are. So you have always supported, guided and motivated us. So you have accepted us the way we are. I pray for your everlasting happiness. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
ये मेरी है आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you.
है आसमां गा रहा है, साथ मेरे ये सारा जहां गा रहा है। ये जमीन गा रही है, आसमां गा रहा है, साथ मेरे ये सारा जहां गा रहा है। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
जीवन में सदा खुशी रहे, जीवन में सदा गम न कोई आए, इसी दुआ के साथ जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं।
वाह, थैंक यू।
तेरी है जमीन ये तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शिश कर, सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर।
दुनिया मेरी है, तू बड़ी तगड़ी, तू क्या करी हो, बारली बाड़िया और जब बोले
छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की, बोली सी आशा चांद तारों को सोने की आशा, का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई, मेरा तुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई।
से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे, पीछे रह जाएगा ये जमाना, ये वादा है फ्रॉम शिव की सेना। मेरे हमराही जो तुम ना होते, मेरे हमराही जो तुम ना होते। This is for my team, sir. Thank you.
न पूछो सनम हाल क्या है दिलों का, न पूछो सनम आपका मुस्कुरा।
Hi sir, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. Enjoy your day sir.
खुशी रहे जीवन में सदा गम न कोई आए, खुशी रहे जीवन में सदा गम न कोई आए, इसी दुआ के साथ जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं।
Sir, wish you happy birthday to you, sir. And lifelong, so many birthdays go like this, sir. For entire your whole life, sir. Once again, I repeat to you, sir. Wish you happy birthday to you, sir. For Vijayawada region, T. Durga Prasad, sir. Bye, sir.
Hello Shiv sir, a very good morning. We wish you a very very happy birthday, and God bless you with health and happiness. Thank you so much.
Hi Shiv sir, wish you a happy birthday to you. So God bless you, sir.
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Warm wishes for a great boss who never stops motivating and inspiring me to reach for the sky. I wish you a long, fulfilling career. Your presence is a source of inspiring us, so keep inspiring us, keep supporting us. Thank you so much, sir. Have a great day.
Hi sir, wish you many more happy returns of the day. You know, you are an amazing leader whom I have ever met. Seriously, you know, if at all I talk about any takeaway, if at all I want to take from Shiv sir, so I will always say it is a commitment. So his every Sunday video, you know, that is like a buzzer to us. Like every day, every Sunday, you know, you will get it for sure. And you know, that's a proper commitment which I say. Thank you so much for leading us, sir. Thank you.
Happy birthday sir. You are such a wonderful, successful and talented and inspiring boss in our life, and wishing very happy birthday and many more successful, you know, here ahead. And thank you so much for your wonderful opportunity to us. Thank you sir. Happy birthday.
Hi sir, wish you many more happy returns of the day. You are a more wonderful mentor and a nice host. Thank you for your teaching and guiding us. Enjoy your day sir. Once again, happy birthday.
Good morning. Happy birthday. Even at this age, you are tirelessly working around the clock to strengthen and develop the workforce of this 15 plus years staying in the organization. We are praying God to give you a happy and healthy life as to lead us in your right path. We once again wish you a happy birthday, sir. Thank you.
A leader is one who knows the way, shows the way, and goes the way. You have been such a great and inspirational leader to us, sir. On this day, I wish you a very happy birthday and successful year ahead. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Wish you happy birthday and thanks for this opportunity. I have learned so many things and I have learned to handle the situation, both positive and negative. Thanks for everything, sir. Wish you happy birthday.
Hi sir, wishing you many more candles to blow, and thank you so much for all the guidance and support that you're offering to us, and stay blessed. May God bless you with all the prosperity and happiness, and wishing you a happy year ahead. Enjoy every moment of your life. Thank you so much.
Wishing a very blessed and happy birthday to a super cool boss, a friend and a mentor. May the years ahead be filled with lots of love and happiness. Working with a leader like you has taught us a lot of things, what we should do and what we should not do. You were like kind of a father for us. Whenever we were going to do something wrong, you stopped us and corrected us and said like, children, this is the way how we test we done. The professionalism you have shown us and taught us was really amazing, and like it has taught us and molded us to grow in our professional and our personal life. Any new task, any new projects which we were involved into was so amazing and interesting to work because you had shown a little fun in learning things. Sir, on this auspicious day, we wish you nothing less than all happiness to you and your family. May all your wishes be fulfilled and all your dreams come true. Once again, from the entire Cochin region, we are wishing you a very blessed and a happy birthday. Stay safe. Thank you, sir.
Many happy returns of the day, Shiv sir. On this lovely, wonderful day, I wish to share a message with you. Your childlike enthusiasm, your energy, your passion, it really inspires me, completely motivates me. For me, this is true genius, and I wish that you remain the same throughout your entire life. Have a great and terrific day ahead and keep spreading the happiness.
सोच के बनाया है एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. थैंक यू. यूट्यूब कहाँ से काटो यार, नहीं काट. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू,
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू.
हाय एवरीवन, थैंक यू वेरी मच आप लोगों की विशेस के लिए एंड मैसेजेस के लिए जो सिंस मॉर्निंग आप लोग मुझे दे रहे हैं. Actually, you made my day, and many a times I got emotional because of your such a beautiful message, personal call, personal messages in many other ways, whether it was social media, whether it is one-to-one call, whether it is one-to-one message. I really thanks to all of you for supporting me and encouraging me in my life. आपके लिए मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है बोलने के लिए. लेकिन फिर भी मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।